welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, and welcome to our final series of the lean versus mean. And thank you so much for being here. And if you want to know how to save calories and have a good time, please subscribe down below if you haven't already done so. Those of you that are here with me every week, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you. But Happy New Year. And we are going to talk about cocktails. We're going to talk about how to make cocktails lean versus mean. People don't realize how many calories you are spending or drinking unknowingly just on a night out, adding them to dessert, adding them to dinner, and we are going to show you today how to cut those calories back so maybe you can have 2 cocktails instead of just 1. So honestly, it's like opening Pandora's box when we talk about how we can cut calories in cocktails. I could give you so much advice on this, but we're going to take 3 major cocktails that people enjoy. We have a gin and tonic, we're going to do a whiskey sour, and we're going to show you how to have wine and enjoy it in a wine spritzer with less calories. We are going to start with the whiskey sour, and the key ingredient to a great cocktail is a lot of awesome ice. So we're going to start with the ice, and I made simple syrup ahead of time, and mine is brown because I used raw sugar. You can use agave syrup instead, or even honey in this, depending on what kind of sugar you like. And we're going to half this with real orange juice. This is where we're going to save some calories because in the other half we're going to use our club soda, which you'll see in just 1 second. A nice good shot of whiskey is going to go in here. Or 2, depending on what you like. And I love these 0-calorie seltzer waters. And this one is cranberry lime. You can use whatever flavor or no flavor. We're going to top it off there. And of course, a fresh slice of orange. Our next cocktail here is a gin and tonic. Again, we have the ice. We're going to do a nice shot or 2 of gin, whatever you prefer. And then we're going to top this off with, I'm using a lemon seltzer water. Again, these are 0 calories. The tonic would usually go in here, which is 110 calories for 1 little bit of tonic, where this club soda is 0. A little squeeze of lemon juice and a little lemon. And lastly, our wine spritzer. So good ice. This is a little Pinot Grigio. Usually you go half and half on this. And this is a lime flavored sparkling water. Again, so easy, 0 calories. We've cut this in half. I like to throw a couple fresh raspberries in. And voila. We have our whiskey sour coming in at 160 calories. They're typically about 185. So we did use the simple syrup in this, and that's what's going to bring our calories up. Plus we have orange juice, but hey, it has vitamin C, so I don't think that's so bad. And we still saved calories with the sparkling water or club soda versus the tonic water. Most of you don't know tonic water contains quite a bit of calories. So that's where in our gin and tonic, by not using tonic water, we took this from 110 calories down to just 50. That's sip worthy right there. And instead of just having a regular glass of white wine, we had a Pinot Grigio. We've taken a regular glass of wine, about 123 calories, down to 70. So you can see where you can save. And also another great tip, which I didn't make this cocktail today, if you like rum and Coke or anything like that, you know, it doesn't hurt to throw in a Diet Coke instead of regular Coke. You're gonna save yourself a ton of sugar. Other thing you can use that I could have used instead of simple syrup for this, agave syrup, and that works as well. So there are so many options out there, and you can actually even make these alterations at home, which we're all doing right now, or even if you go to a bar, most bartenders are more than willing to make adjustments for you as well. 1 chilled bite sitting here. Let's go ahead and take a sip. So gin and tonic. Oh, that's so good. That is so good. And I really do enjoy these flavored sparkling waters. Here is our wine spritzer. That's so refreshing. You can even do these with red wine and still save yourself half the calories. So that's a tip as well. And here, cheers, whiskey sour. That is so good. Whiskey is one of my favorites, so I really enjoy this one. But I want to say Happy New Year's to you. I love all you so much, and I'm wishing you a year of warmth and happiness and health and prosperity. So cheers from One Hot Bite to you. I love you all. Happy New Year.